How is everybody doing out there? It is your girl SHAREEN Nicole, and I am back with another video. I wanted to come on here today, like literally I just got out the shower and I was like, you know, this thing was on my heart and I was like, I just want to come on here and talk about it. Let's jump right in. So I literally right now just have conditioner in my hair. Yeah, I'm in a battle right now of whether I want to redo this perm or just let it rock out and let my natural hair grow out, because I'm not sure what I want to do. Can you guys see this new growth? Like, that's a whole lot of new growth right there, and it's super thick. Like, it's growing in super thick. I don't know what the back is looking like. I don't know what I want to do. It feels like it's thinner, and then the amount of hair that I lose in the shower, which isn't a big amount, but to me it is, because you know your hair texture has changed now, and so it's like you're not used to seeing all these hairs come out of a different texture. Like, my hair is really kinky, coily curl, and so, you know, it's like a little knot ball that'll come out like this. But of course, when it's stretched out, it's a little bit more. I brought what I took out of the shower today, so this is not a lot. I also still have the strand or the lock of hair that I had put together that came out the shower last time. Like, this is a full lock right here, like. So I just wanted to show a comparison. So this is fresh out the shower, fresh wet, like right out the shower. You guys can see that. So I don't know. I'm gonna need you guys to comment down below and let me know what you think. Like, should I just go back to natural? Because I'm a type of person that likes to change my hair all the time. You know, I don't want to stick with the same style. And although I love having a looser texture, it's more easy to manage and stuff like that, I also want to put my hair in braids, and I also, like, I'm scared, like, I want to put my hair in braids, but I don't want it to fall out because my hair is weak. But I'm still going to give it a shot. So right now I'm in limbo of whether or not I want to redo this curly perm or Gina curl or whatever it is you guys want to call it, Wave Nouveau, carefree curl, but we're just going to call it a Jerry curl because that's what it really is. Okay, so I'm not sure whether or not I want to pursue doing that again, meaning retouch up my new growth, because if I do, I'm doing it myself. I don't know, I'm kind of feeling like I want to go back to my natural state, which kind of means I'm going to have to let all of this hair grow out, just let my new growth grow in and just keep cutting as I go along. So I'm going to go ahead and get into the regimen that I've been starting, because I was trying to attack this shedding that's been going on. And if you guys aren't here right now, that's okay, you'll tap in later. You go ahead and get this, you know, when you have a chance to get this. For all my ladies and men out there that might have a Jerry curl, okay, I'm pretty sure the struggle is real and we're all going through it together. I started using Curl Nourished, and this is by Garnier Fructis. It's a leave-in treatment. So I do that, and it's the hold on, I can't read it backwards, air dry buttercream. So hopefully you guys can see that. I know the glare is like crazy right now, but I've been using that here and there. I've also, this is a big staple, I've also been using this Afro-G. So I've been using this, and this is pretty good. Now, it does say it's heat activated, and I know you can't straighten your hair and stuff like that, but what I did do was I sprayed this in, and I did apply heat. By heat, I mean I took the blower on high heat, and I just, you know, blow dried my hair. My hair was still curly, so it didn't straighten out and stuff like that. But your girl is definitely tempted to straighten her hair because I'm tired of the curls. I mean, it's cool and all, but I'm tired of it because now I'm dealing with two textures. So I just got to figure out what it is that I want to do with myself. And like I said, you guys comment down below on what you think would be my best option. Would you rather, you know, see me natural in my natural state, like how I was, and get my hair back to where it was? Or, you know, you think this is the cute look? I don't know. Like I said, it's looking thin, but it's probably really full. I don't know. The other thing I've been incorporating is Shea Miracle Leave-In conditioner, and this is the moisture intense formula because your hair needs a lot of moisture. So don't get me wrong, I'm still using the products that go with the Wave Nouveau system. I'll get into that in a minute, but this is so good. This is what the bottle looks like. So that's why you guys can't see this. This is by African Pride, and it smells, oh my God, it smells like candy. Like, it smells so good. Like, listen, this is good for all types of hair because it already said in here, it's good for perms, it's good for relaxers, it's good for, you know, just nourishing your hair. So if your hair type likes that, I say give it a go and go ahead and pick that up for yourself. So yes, I did order these on Amazon. And then this is the next one that I got, which is also by African Pride. This is Olive Oil Miracle Anti-Breakage. So hence the keratin. Keratin is for anti-breakage as well. Sometimes your hair needs that boost. It needs that keratin infused, because your hair is made up of keratin. But if you ain't got enough, guess what's going to happen? Snap, it's going to start falling out. And if you got too much keratin, best believe it's going to snap and fall out. I'm just telling you guys from experience. Like I said, I don't know if you guys know, but I am a licensed cosmetologist. So I'm telling you from my experiences of my hair, because like I said, I've never had perm or a jerry curl before. So this is all new to me. Doing a perm and having a perm is two different things. So how my hair is reacting to it, how I'm reacting to it is totally different. So the new staple, this new staple, those are the things I've been using, but you guys didn't see that because I didn't have it yet. So these are all new staples in my life right now as far as my hair treatment is concerned. But my new staple, thanks to a subscriber that shouted out to use this, and it's funny because she told me to use this, and I had already had it in my cart and I ordered it. And I was like, oh my goodness. I was like, that was just confirmation that I needed to get this. Because she was like, this will have your hair super curly, and it does. It really does. So I am loving this. Carefree, and it's juicy too. It's not like them limp, dry curls, because that Wave Nouveau stuff, my hair be all dry. I absolutely love this, and this stuff smells amazing. So this is the Gold line. This is by Soft Sheen Carson. Carefree Curl Gold Instant Activator. So I want to say that you guys can use this on your that smells so good. And that's another thing. This smells really good compared to that Wave Nouveau. That Wave Nouveau, it smells like a chemical. It smells like a chemical that's supposed to do what it's supposed to do for your hair. This smells good, and it activates your curl. And I'm pretty sure if it's activating perm curls, it's going to activate natural curls. Okay, sis? Okay. In my first video, I did show you guys this, because this is the system that I used on my hair to get it permed. And this is the system that I came home with. So mind you, it is right here because, you know, you shouldn't waste anything. So I use it. I just want to use it and get rid of it because I don't want to use it no more. I'm not going to say it doesn't work. It does curl your hair, but at the same time, it leaves my hair dry. Like, my hair is not moist anymore. It's not doing what it needs to do. Like, as opposed to this Carefree, all I had to do was just the bottle. Like, I didn't even get the spray, the activator spray. But yes, y'all, please comment down below and let me know what you think I should do. Should I stay natural and just, you know, let my hair grow back out, or should I just redo this perm again because my natural hair is growing out and it's causing conflicts, it's causing commotion in my scalp? So I just wanted to come on here and talk to you guys about my natural hair care regimen. Well, it ain't natural now, but you know, my new natural, which is this wave that I got going on, my new natural wave hair care, or my Wave Nouveau, my curly perm, my jerry curl. I just wanted to come on here and talk to you guys about that because it's just been bothering me, and I really don't know whether I want to redo this, love-hate relationship thing. All right, and yeah, that's pretty much been it. I've been good. I hope you guys been good. I love you guys so much. Mwah. And I will see you guys in my next video.